Blake from Bad Tree Productions. Welcome to the channel. Today we're going to work on one of the daily drivers, the 07 Hemi Ram with the low 198,000. I'm going to strap you guys on the outside so you can hear what we're going to go fix. All right, so you hear that. That's the CV bearing behind the rubber boot left the chat. And that's what that sounds like. So if your truck's making that sound, most likely it's the CV axle. All right, first thing you're gonna wanna do is jack the front end of your truck up. See the wheel? Break your lug nuts first before you jack it up. I got a jack stand on the passenger side of the frame. We're only doing this corner of the truck. Here's our CV axle by Precision, probably China. Anyway, get your lug nuts off, bust your tire off, and get ready to start slamming your parts in. Before we get too far ahead, the ball bearing totally came apart. If you're like me and you forget steps, you're gonna need a 36 millimeter to get this nut off. If you're a Lone Ranger like I am today and you don't want to put the tire back on and pop out the center hub hole of the rim, you can use your electric seats for good. Put a little piece of wood in here, run your seat forward, holding the brake down for a guy. Yeah. All right, CV axle's dangling. I gotta go on the underside of it and pound it out. Oh. Yeah, not good.
Well, you can turn the headlights off. Oh, that. Oh, yeah, look, see? See?
It yanked the guts out of there. So then I had to go back over to O'Reilly's and right here. So the snap rings didn't snap loose. All the guts came out with it. So take these 4 bolts off this cover and get her done. There we go. She's been replaced. 4 bolts chisel that plate off, and then it comes with a race and a bearing and some other junk in there. But yeah, that's replaced. There's $85. Let's throw the other $85 at it. I can hardly lift that. I'm getting weak in my old age.
You gotta get working on vehicles more.
I know.
I thought about it, and I just was like, and I really want to plural it, and then I got sick that day, and I just didn't do it.
Is it all the way through?
Oh, good luck, huh? I had a cotter pin somewhere. Probably underneath this jack. Coming down. Maybe. So rusty.
I broke a nail putting oil in the Jeep.
Did you?
Yeah. They grow back.
Oh.
Well, Pop-Up,
Hi, baby. How you
how's
doing?
this going?
Oh, not bad. I just gotta keep topping up the antifreeze.
Oh.
It's got a slow leak between on the timing cover and engine. So it's,
You want to know what I learned today?
no, what?
Well, first off, I did a bunch of trying to teach Nikki how to drive a manual today.
Oh, the Jeep?
Yeah.
Oh,
She's
there you
doing
go.
pretty good till the end.
Would you wrap it around telephone pole?
No, she didn't hit anything,
Okay.
so that's good.
Right.
However, we got the headlight fixed.
Yeah, that's what Blake is saying. That's good.
Yeah, Jeremy had
Yeah.
it fixed in like 2 seconds.
Oh, good.
All I had to do was fake like I was gonna do it. And I'm like, just tell me where to test things, and it pained him, and he just did it.
Right. Cool.
But Nikki and I learned that there's no way to check a manual transmission for fluid, like no dipstick.
Right.
You know how long that took us to put our tail between our legs and go ask Jeremy?
Oh, you were looking for? Why were you gonna check that?
We were just looking at everything.
Oh, okay.
Because we were watching liquid tape dry.
A lot of automatics, they don't have a dipstick either anymore.
Oh.
Yeah, they just plug it. And then you got to go through a whole rigmarole on how to check it
Yeah.
if you suspect it.
So that was, at least we learned something.
Right, that's good.
And
Good for you.
topped it off with oil, and
Yeah, cool.
boy, I'm pretty excited to have 4-wheel drive.
Yeah, that'll be nice. There she is. Installed everything back together.
With 6 pounds of rust on the ground.
Yeah, not bad. What do you think, Jay? I like it, yeah. Yeah? What's not to like? That's good. So that's it. How much does it cost to replace this in parts?
190 bucks.
190 bucks. Plus 500 in my shop labor. See my shop? Your shop is 2nd Street.
Oh, and you even have a garage kitty.
Shop kitty. Oh. Everybody likes the shop kitty.
It kind of looks like Dodge Whispers.
Little Dodge Whisperer action.
We're gonna nickname you DW.
All right, Cat. Tell them what to do. All right, no more rattly. Now we have 4-wheel drive. So thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. Annie, thanks for watching.
I come in clutch sometimes.
If you enjoy this kind of shade tree content, subscribe for more. Don't do it the way I did it. It's probably wrong. I don't know what I'm doing. I just kind of go at it until it gets done. So this might not be a how-to. It's just a how-to do.
Just get her done.
Ciao. I think it's moving.